and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill and here today to share the Shots of Life kit. The Shots of Life comes out every other month, so this is March and April's Shots of Life. It's perfect for pocket page scrapbooking, but it's also perfect to add on to your flavors of the month because they are designed to coordinate with your flavors of the month. So if you wanted additional pattern papers and embellishments, this would be a great way to get them and stretch your flavors of the month even more. So you get paper, embellishments, a wide variety of themes and subjects to create all kinds of projects. Let's take a closer look at everything you're going to get in this month's Shots of Life kit. Starting with the paper in the March and April Shots of Life kit, we start with Pink Paislee's Paige Evans Pick Me Up. So this is paper number 1. It has some borders, some smaller squares, as well as some 3x4 cut aparts. So perfect for your pocket pages, but you could also cut these apart to do lots of fun embellishments. And the back side of all these papers are full 12x12 prints, so you could use them for 12x12 scrapbooking as well. So we have this yellow sequin that's in an ombre yellow, a full branding strip of hearts in a rainbow color. From Photo Play Paper, Spring in My Garden, this one called Sprout is 3x4 cut aparts. Again, some great designs to fussy cut and add into regular scrapbooking or your pocket pages. The back side is this pink floral. I also love, if you'll look through here, how well they could coordinate together. You could mix and match all of these collections. So the next one from American Crafts, Dear Lizzie, is Stay Colorful, and this is a 4x4 cut apart. The back side has the daisies on a blue floral. Definitely looking spring there. Echo Park, Happy Birthday is the 4x6 cut apart. These would even make great cards if you wanted to make birthday cards. And the back is this fun banner. From Shamel, a box of crayons, we have the cut apart sheet. There's some 4x6 and 3x4. And the back side is this fun popsicle print and the purple with the polka dots branding strip. Echo Park, Imagine That, a 4x4 cut apart, again with that great little puppy dog, the superhero, and all boy things. So you could do a lot of different things, but definitely geared towards your boys. And the back is a more generic print with the different colors on the navy blue. The Simple Stories I Am is the 4x6 cut apart sheet. Beautiful collection with this rose gold foiling. And the back side is this off-white with the black kind of raindrop print. So one more look at the paper. Again, full 12x12 sheets on the back and cut aparts on the front. Now let's take a look at the different embellishments. So for Simple Stories I Am, you get the full 12x12 sticker sheet. There's a scalloped border, some tabs, word labels, words that you could use in your titles or subtitles, a little banner, large icons, so lots of variations for embellishments there. Their Dear Lizzie, you're going to get half of the sticker sheet, so these will vary among the kits, but that's a good idea of what you would get. And from Pink Paisley, you're going to get one of the washi sticker sheets, so again, those will vary, but that's what was in my kit. For Shamel's box of crayons, you're going to get 2 of the 4x6 sticker sheets, so these will vary, but I got an alphabet in the rainbow colors and then one with icons, and it has the holographic on the stickers, as well as some of the photo corners. So again, all of those will vary. For the Echo Park Imagine That, you're going to get some of the brads and a couple of the chipboard pieces. So these will vary what you will get, but a good sampling of different embellishments. Some Echo Park enamel dots, again, half a pack. And half a pack of the Photo Play ephemera. So these will vary, but I got some tags and a frame and some smaller pieces, labels. So as you can tell, a lot of embellishments, a lot of paper, so a really great way to do your pocket scrapbooking every month, or to even add on to your flavors of the month to have it go even further. So one more look at your Shots of Life for March and April. If you're not already a subscriber of this YouTube channel, be sure to click that coffee cup to subscribe and you'll be notified when new videos are released. Also, come on over to the Scrap Room blog and the Facebook page to see what the design team and your fellow subscribers are creating with their kits, as well as join in on some of the challenges. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.